Hola a todos. I'm Miss Bame. I'm the other Spanish teacher, if I'm not your Spanish teacher. We're going to do a little listening activity with the vocab from page 13 and 14. There will be a section on your quiz like this, so let's try it out. I'm going to describe 7 words. So first you need a piece of paper. Un papel con 1 a 7. So get a piece of paper, pause if you need to, and write 1 through 7 on your paper. You're going to share your results with us on a Flipgrid video. That's your assignment for today. So have your paper and pencil handy, and I'm going to read a description, and you will choose which of these words from our vocab list makes sense for that description. Okay? Número 1. Yo voy al gimnasio y corro y levanto pesas. That was número 1. Pause when you need to or go back and listen, right? Número 2. Mi familia va a Target y compramos comida y ropa. Número 3. Me gusta estar en el agua, quizás en el lago. A veces pesco, pero más me gusta estar tranquila en el agua. Número 4. Mis amigas y yo hablamos y hablamos por teléfono. Número 5. Mi familia limpia la casa, lavamos los platos y lavamos la ropa. Es mucho trabajo, pero es necesario. Número 6. Mi mamá ayuda a las personas en el hospital, pero ella no recibe dinero, no gana dólares, solo ayuda con las personas. Número 7. ¡Huepa! Mi familia va a la playa por 7 días. Okay, I'm going to show you the answers after you pause and go back and listen and try it on your own. I'm going to show you 1 through 7. So you can check, because I know you'd like to know if you got them right or not. And after you check, you can think about how that went. Can you see this? That's kind of small, isn't it? 1 was hacer ejercicio. 2 was ir de compras. 3 was pasear en bote. 4 was charlar. 5 was hacer los quehaceres. 6 was trabajar de voluntario. And 7 was ir de vacaciones. So on Flipgrid, let us know how that went, and also how you're feeling about the quiz, maybe, how you're going to practice. One more way that you are going to practice for your asynchronous work today is by doing page 19 in your packet. Looks like this. It is a practice quiz, and I'm going to show you real quick how this is going to work. Okay, here's the document, and as you can see up here, there's a descripción. So you read the descripción. Prepara y comer la comida afuera, muchas veces en un parque o en el patio durante el verano. Okay, that's the description. Here's las opciones. You're going to circle one or highlight one. What is that description describing? Is it hacer una barbacoa? Is it ir a un parque acuático? Or is it andar en cuatrimoto? So you choose. I think I know from comer la comida and maybe en un parque, which one it is, and then over here I'm going to take that verb, hacer, and I'm going to conjugate nosotros hacemos. All right, so try those. The key is also linked on your asynchronous assignment, so you check your answers, see how you're doing. If you need extra practice, there are links on the assignment to some extra practice for you. And let us know if you have any questions, of course. Preguntas, problemas, comentarios. Okay, adiós.